MMCM is the Maritime Mine Counter Measure program for France and UK. The aim of the MMCM program is to master a new concept, to replace the traditional mine hunting solution. So what Thales will supply to the two navies is a toolbox, a complete solution made around cybersecurity, several drones, from that one the surface drone, new sonar technology, big data analytics, a control center, and a system that will allow the operator to clearly identify the mines, the dangers, and to conduct in full their mission far from the danger and not exposing the life of the staff. As a demonstration program, MMCM is pioneering new technologies and is a highly innovative program. For that, we will deliver to each Navy a complete set of toolbox in order for them to build their new tactical operating concept before launching a production phase.